I'm Jane Kelly. I'm the manager in charge of day-to-day operations at A2Z Ozone. A2Z Ozone is an e-commerce business, and you can find our store at A2ZOzone.com. It qualifies as a small business with the Small Business Administration. Today I want to just introduce our ozone generators and what we do, what they can do. This is the Aqua 8. It is a personal unit. We also have the Aqua 6. And the Aqua 8 is an upgrade from the Aqua 6. It's able to use oxygen. It has more functions. It has the LED lights that kind of tell you if the pump's working, if the ozone's working, and if the fan's working. So that's the differences. My favorite is the Aqua 8, and the thing I like best about it is it sits up. And the ozone comes out of the side instead of out of the bottom. So with these units, you can bathe your dogs, you can bathe your feet, or just take a regular bath. You can wash toys. My favorite application is washing fruits and vegetables and drinking water. Some people drink the water right away. Some people wait 20 or 30 minutes or so. Actually, it really doesn't matter. So you can also do general cleaning. We have one on our fish tank, which helps reduce maintenance. So that's basically why we use it on the fish tank. We use it with dentistry, wounds. You can use it with wounds. But that is the personal units, the basic applications.